It's time to do the reveal. Who could it be? Let's have a peek. Ooh, it looks like it's super spicy. And they have a diaper. A cute little pink fuzzy diaper. Oh my goodness. Okay, who is it? It's Sleepito. Aww, so cute. Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today I have a super cool surprise. I have a box of Cutetitos. Whoa, they're Babitos. You can enroll a furry baby friend. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Ooh, look at all that colorful paper. It's hiding all sorts of fun things. Woo, it's like pom-poms. Yay, Cutitos! Yay, Babitos! Yay, 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 yay! Woo! Look at this! It's an adorable baby bottle. It's full of fun little sequins. Aww! So cool! You can even open it up and put your own stuff inside. Woo! Let's see what else we can find inside. Ooh, what's this? It says, it's a boy. We have more signs. Ah, look. Let's see what other signs we have. Oh, look, it's so cute. It's a girl. Here are all the Babitos you can collect. These are from Series 1. It says, let's make some predictions on your Babito. Will it be a boy or a girl? What kind of animal? What spice level? And what name and birthday? They gave us this super cute pepper pledge. It says, wrap yourself in a tortilla blanket and state the following. I promisito to take care of my Babito, whether they're a boy or girl, mild or hot. I vow to love them and taco about them a lot. I'll keep them warm and swaddle them tight. So adorable. I want to take a bite, but I won't. Sprinkle your Babitos with a pepper pledge. The baby body confetti hot sauce will seal the promise. Oh, cool! This is the promise. It's super spicy hot sauce for my Babitos. Okay, let's find some Babitos. There's one! Oh, cool! Let's find the others. There's 2. There's 3. There's 4. And there's 5. To be able to do the pepper pledge, we have to find out what Babitos we have. I don't know if we should say Babitos or Babitos. I would say Babitos, but okay, so let's see what our first Babito is. Starting with our first one, let's find out what's inside. Ooh, I can't wait to see. It says enroll a furry baby friend. They certainly don't look very big. I can't wait to see what's inside. I don't want to spoil the surprise, so I'm going to open up all my burritos, and then we'll find out what's inside. There's number 2. Here's number 3. There's number 4. There we go. We have 5 burritos. And we have our chili sauce for our pepper pledge. Let's see who we could get. Our mild is Stinkito the skunk, Quackito the duck, Spotito the Dalmatian puppy. Medium, there's a Cheesito. It looks like a mouse. Spookito looks like a vampire. More like a vampire cow. Chippito looks like a little chipmunk. Our hot is Kittito, Tallito the giraffe, and Hungrito the hippo. And our super spicy is Mosquito, the raccoon, Brainito the owl, and Sleepito the lamb. Let's see who we've got. Ooh, it's so hard to decide which one to open first. Oh, I just want to see them all. I want to squish them up and I want to find out what's inside. It's so exciting, but that pink little fuzz. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, here we go. You're first. We are unwrapping you. Oh, I think I know what it is. Oh, look, it's Tallito the giraffe. Oh, and they come with a little diaper. It opens on one side. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. It's cuter than I expected it was gonna be. There you can see it's a hot Babito. Here you go, little giraffe. We put on your diaper. I'm gonna give you some bottle. He likes it. But we're gonna do the pepper pledge once we've done everybody. Let's see who else we have. Tallito, you wait right there next to your burrito. Now let's find out what's inside this one. It's not Tallito. Oh, he doesn't have a diaper on. Ooh, it's a medium one. Let's see who it is. It's Chippito, the chipmunk. Aw, so cute. I think I like the giraffe more, especially because of that super cute diaper. But the chipmunk is really cute too. Look at his big tooth. Aw, they're super soft and they have a soft fluffy tail. Okay, make some space. Let's put you right here on your burrito. Okay, here's our next one. Let's see who it is. It's time to do the reveal. Who could it be? Let's have a peek. Ooh, it looks like it's super spicy. And they have a diaper. A cute little pink fuzzy diaper. Oh my goodness. Okay, who is it? It's Sleepito. Aww, so cute. I like it. Again, the diaper opens on one side. Okay, we have two more. Ooh. This one has a diaper too. Oh, it's a little blue diaper. Uh-oh, be careful because it's Stinkito. Oh my, don't stink us up, Stinkito. It's a little skunk. Oh, so cute. You can see that he is mild. I don't know about that. He's got a strong stink if he wants to. Let's see what our last one is. Is it gonna be different or is it gonna be a repeat? It's different, and this one has a diaper too. That's interesting that only one of them didn't. It's Kittito. Aww, I love little kitty cats. He's hot! Okay, now that we've got you all, we have to do the pepper pledge. I've already said it, but now we have to sprinkle them with our confetti hot sauce. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.